Growing spinach in your terrace garden is a delightful way to enjoy fresh, organic greens right from home, and it's simpler than you might think. To start, select a sunny spot on your terrace that gets 4-6 hours of sunlight daily. Spinach thrives in partial sunlight but can tolerate some shade, making it perfect for a variety of terrace setups. Choose pots or containers with drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, ensuring healthy root growth. Ideally, use containers that are 6-8 inches deep to accommodate spinach's relatively shallow roots. Prepare a nutrient-rich soil mix with 50% garden soil, 30% compost for nutrients, and 20% coco peat for moisture retention and aeration. Once your setup is ready, sow spinach seeds about ½ an inch deep, spacing them at least 3-4 inches apart to prevent overcrowding. Cover them lightly with soil and water gently, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Spinach seeds usually germinate within 5-7 days. During this time, monitor the soil closely, as spinach prefers moist conditions for optimal growth. If you live in a region with intense sunlight, consider using a shade net to protect young seedlings during the hottest part of the day. As the seedlings grow, it's important to thin them out, leaving the strongest plants spaced about 4-6 inches apart. This ensures each plant has ample space to absorb nutrients and develop fully. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Every 2 weeks, add compost or a balanced organic fertilizer to replenish nutrients and encourage lush, healthy leaves. Spinach is relatively pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for common issues like aphids or leaf miners. Use organic solutions like neem oil or homemade garlic spray to manage any infestations. Spinach grows rapidly, and you can begin harvesting outer leaves within 25-30 days of planting. Use clean scissors to snip the leaves, allowing the inner ones to grow further. For a full harvest, cut the plant about an inch above the soil. Spinach often regrows after this, giving you multiple harvests. To enjoy a continuous supply, consider planting new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks in a staggered manner. This ensures you'll always have fresh spinach ready to pick. In addition to being delicious, spinach is packed with essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. It's a versatile green that can be used in salads, smoothies, soups, or cooked dishes. By growing your own spinach, you not only save money but also reduce your environmental footprint. Plus, the joy of nurturing a plant from seed to harvest is incredibly rewarding and therapeutic. So, why wait? Turn your terrace into a lush green paradise and enjoy the many benefits of growing your own spinach today.